Okay, so today I'm whipping up a simple meatloaf, and what I have here is ground beef, and what I'm adding to my ground beef is sausage. And this is just regular sausage, savory sausage. So usually I make, usually put about the same amount of sausage as I do ground beef so that it's even. So I'm going to put in, next is some breadcrumbs. One egg. Peppers, bell peppers and onions. Not a lot, because I have a tendency to overcompensate. Okay, let's put some garlic in. And let's add in some onion powder. And then to that, I'm going to add some fresh garlic. Just because I like garlic. A little bit of breadcrumbs. Okay, so I'm just going to mash this up together. We get all smashed and seasoned. Okay, so to this I'm going to add some poultry seasoning, just to give it a little flavor. Black pepper, not a lot. Salt. Turmeric. And some, because I put that stuff on everything. Okay, so to this I'm going to add some tomato sauce. Not a lot. Okay, so I got that all done. I'm going to mix more. Give it another mix. There we go. Now at this point, if you want, you can put cheese in, but I'm not putting cheese in today. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in, cut it in half because I'm making two. One to eat for dinner and one to freeze for later. I'm gonna put this in my little pan here. And just give it a mash out. Now at this point, you can put tomato sauce or ketchup on top. It all depends on what you put on top, but sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. just going to put that there. I'm going to put this one in here. And as I said, I'm making one to eat today, and I'm going to freeze one, and we can eat it later. At least it's already done. So, I think what I'm going to do is spoon a little tomato sauce over. Okay, so I'm going to spoon a little tomato sauce over them, and then I'm going to put them in the oven to bake. Okay, when we come back, we'll be having meatloaf. Okay, so the meatloaves are out of the oven, and these are my mini meatloaves. You don't have to make two mini ones. You can make one big one, but they're ready to go. Thanks for exploring this super simple meatloaf recipe on Exploring Foods with Smitty. Make sure you give it a try. It's very simple, it's very easy. You can make ahead and you can freeze. See you on the next video.